What's going on, you beautiful people out there? My name is freaking Animal. Gosh darn, you look gosh darn good today. Gosh darn it. If you don't know that, well, I'm telling you. Has nobody told you look good today? Well, you do. You're welcome. All right, so this freaking AMV right here is brought to you by this person right here. All right, so this one, he did not specify which of these Let Me Hear Chainsaw Man AMVs he wanted. So I chose this one. It is Let Me Hear Japanese words, and the Japanese words mean subscribe to Heir and Animal. Okay, I'm not doing that bit again. It's by ALINCO. Cool. I don't have anything else. I'm really excited for this one, actually. I really like Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man is out by this point. I'm caught up. It is a really good anime, and I'm enjoying it. So let's hop in there, all right? Let's just play it. Let's just play it. You got to know okay. That's right. Pochi! Pochi! I love Pochi. I'm kind of upset that he was like pretty much only there in the first episode. Woo! Yo, this music is fire! Yo, no, we running that back. Hold on. When he came in, zoomed in from the side like that, and the music just went crazy. Okay, gotta hear that again. Hit it. I'm vibing with this song, bro. It's clean. Who was that? Was that another Chainsaw Man? Man, let me talk to y'all real quick. I don't know if y'all seen Chainsaw Man yet. Great fight scenes. Just throw that out there. Definitely not for kids. Definitely adult themes. But man, my boy over here, Chainsaw Man, just a regular dude. And what makes him just so great is just all he just wants to do is just have a female touch. That's all he wants. Listen, my girl watching it, she likes it too. And she's like, it's goofy because like most heroes are trying to be the best or something. He's like, nah, I just want to touch a Bobby. I just want to be with the female anatomy. I'm like, you know what? In my head, I'm like, you know what? I respect it. That's all you want, bro. You gotta deserve it at this point. You've had so much crap happen to you, man. So I love it. Okay, sorry. Hey, I haven't seen this happen yet. Yo, this is dope. Who is that? I don't know who that is. Oh. Okay. Well, when I see black hair girl, she might be evil. I don't know. I gotta look out for her. What is she? Chainsaw Woman? Oh, bro, I'm getting spoiled right now. Ooh, nice beat change. Okay, out of all the AMVs I watched, this one, because this came out before the anime came out, so I don't know how you emulated all these pictures and whatnot, but I'm pretty sure only the manga was out at this time that you made this. To animate all this is dope, and the fact that it's like so perfect with this goes so well with the freaking song. It's chef's kiss. Okay. Woo! Octopus. Easy revenge. Dude, this music is epic. This is so epic. Oh my god. Wow. 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 What is happening? Whoa! Dude. Oh my god. I feel like I just had like a seizure or something. Not to make light of that. I'm sorry for everybody who has those. I apologize. But jeez, it just happened so fast. Woo! Yo. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Yo, hold on. Hold on. Wait, where's the blue one? Where's the blue one? Where's the blue one? Either this might be thumbnail or this might be thumbnail. One of those two. I don't know. Both. Oh my god, these look so good. Wow. Whole power. It's happening so fast. It's hard to collect my thoughts, man. It's happening so. That's a good picture too. That might be thumb either too. I can't tell yet. Dude, things are happening so fast. Wow. Wow, that was really impressive. Dude. Wow. 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 That was so many things happening so fast. That was really impressive. I really like that. I don't really have any finalizing thoughts, really. I don't have any finalizing thoughts. Just it was just cool. ALINCO, I don't know how you did this at all. It was really impressive. Yeah, more of that, please. Freaking animating still pictures, yo, dope. Just dope. Clean, awesome, fire, gang, squad. Brat. I'm gonna go. My brain doesn't work anymore. I don't know. I'm deuces.